Today's interview was shot in a very interesting place called Parasbagh Garden Cafe. Tucked away in the heart of Pimple Gurav, Parasbagh is more than just a cafe. It's a peaceful escape into the nature. Surrounded by lush greenery, open skies, and the soothing sounds of nature, this is your perfect spot to unwind, sip your favorite brew, and enjoy the soulful conversations with your loved ones.
Welcome back to Naraval Podcast, where we uncover unseen stories, unheard voices, and women's journey to carve their own path. So today we are going to cover one entrepreneur. So today I am joined by Miss Sanjana. She has a company which is HR based. The company acts as a bridge between employers and employees, and she helps candidates to achieve their dream jobs. Welcome, Sanjana, to Naraval Podcast.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mansi, for introducing me here for at Naraval Podcast. So I would just like to give you a brief about what Resumes for You do. So here initially I started Resumes for You to build a gap between the employers and the employees. So whenever you look for a job switch, so whenever you look for a job switch, or if there is any fresher who is just passed out from his college, so the first step that they do is they build their resume, right? And this is what we do. We build the foundation of an employee's career or a candidate's career. So we build here the resume. So my services are basically starting from resume writing, LinkedIn optimization, Naukri updation, and preparing the candidates for interviews, like giving them training how to prepare for interviews, and HR consulting, where we help the candidates to reach the right employer. Okay.
So I would say your clients are just the candidates, is it?
Yeah. So as of now, my clients are just the candidates, I'm helping them to achieve their dream job by crossing the steps to reach the right company.
Okay. So अगर एक कैंडिडेट को कोई ड्रीम जॉब चाहिए तो दे कम टू यू, राइट? ओके. सो ये एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी ये आपके पहले से ही माइंड में था बचपन से कि व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी? वी वांट टू.
So no, frankly speaking, no, I don't believe in entrepreneurship earlier. But when you have worked for work as an HR for 7+ years, and when the most important thing that I came to know is there is a lack of career readiness with the
अच्छा.
candidates.
आप जब बोल रहे हो करियर रेडीनेस मतलब
Okay, so जब हम career readiness के बारे में बात करते हैं, so when you study in metro cities like Mumbai and Pune,
ओके.
तो ये मेट्रो सिटीज में बहुत हमारे इंडिया के बहुत अलग अलग पार्ट से बहुत सारे लोग आए रहते हैं विद डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज एंड डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. सो ये एक ब्रिज हो जाता है. दे हैव द राइट स्किल्स, दे हैव द राइट टैलेंट, और उनमें जिद होता है कुछ करने का. बट एट द सेम पॉइंट, just because of their communication skills or presentable skills, they are not ready for their career. Okay, so this is where resume you help them.
ओके. सो हम 360 डिग्री एक कैंडिडेट पे हेल्प करते हैं,
Yes.
नॉट जस्ट एजुकेशन वाइज, नॉट जस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी वाइज, बट ऑल्सो उनके सारे स्किल्स. तो आपने ये रेडीनेस, एक प्रॉब्लम आपको लगी, करियर रेडीनेस नहीं लोग कर पा रहे, तो उसके सॉल्यूशन के लिए आपने ये कंपनी बनाई. तो जब आप 11 साल HR 11 साल 7 years when you were working as an HR in the company, तो आप अचानक से बिजनेस की बात की, तो हाउ डिड योर फैमिली रिएक्ट? कैसे कैसे आपने ये डिसीजन लिया?
Okay. So initially, I started working in HR in 2020. That was my journey. But at the same time, I was doing a freelancing for resumes.
अच्छा.
I was building and preparing resumes. तो मैं बहुत पहले से initially मेरे career के start से ही मैं resume development start कर रही थी.
ओके.
But when you work into talent acquisition for 7 years, ये career span में आपके पास बहुत सारे candidates आते हैं जिनके resumes में बहुत सारी गलतियां रहती हैं. But when you call them, they are very talented. So I wanted to highlight their skills. HR में भी काम कर रही.
अच्छा.
Okay, so my family was already knowing that I'm working as a full-time employee, and then I was doing freelance. So from there, when I grew towards helping everyone, helping the candidates to get their dream job, the trust came from the candidate. उनका trust आता है, और जब हमें messages आते हैं कि ma'am, I achieved the dream job, I got an opportunity, I got an offer letter. So that the trust they gave us, the belief, makes you to work them for full time. So that's what inspired.
ओके. एंड आपकी फैमिली ने मतलब दे वर सपोर्टिव एट स्टार्ट?
Yeah, at the start they were so being a female, and when we talk about Nari here, so your family is very concerned about you because doing a work like a good full time job and well settled in a good career as an HR. But when we start about a business कि हम हमारा full 9 to 5 a fixed income source को
हाँ.
छोड़ के हम start कर रहे हैं, तो they were not that supportive.
हाँ.
But I came across and I proved them with my candidates' feedback that they gave me time to time that I am giving an opportunity to the candidates to get their dream job. And helping someone is always in my bloodline. Like I always like to help anyone who comes in front of me. So my family initially was not okay with it, but when they saw my success and me growing and being happy.
बड़ा करता है। ठीक है, तो एज अ वुमन आपके और एंटरप्रेन्योर, तो आपके दिन कैसा जाता है? हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट? डू यू हैव अ ऑफिस? इफ नॉट, हाउ मेनी एम्प्लॉयज डू यू हैव? कैसे कैसे आपने ये सब चीजें, बिजनेस की चीजें टैकल की, क्योंकि आपको तो जॉब किया था।
Yeah. Okay. So my morning starts initially with resume writing because at morning we are very highly charged and very developed. So वो time पे we start doing resume writing and we help with the sessions where how are you planning to prepare for an interview with the candidates. We have a one-on-one call with them.
Okay.
In evening we have call with the clients where we make them understand what is our process, what is resume writing,
Correct.
what are the steps that we are covering. So this is how my entire day looks. I have a team of 4 members currently working with me as a freelancer. They and all are females. Luckily, they are managing the 9 to 5 and they are working with me as a freelancer.
So you are a freelancer over the freelancer company.
Yes. Yeah.
So you provide services freelancer and people working with you
Yeah.
are also freelancers. Yes. So very good thing. And then how do you manage your personal?
And the thing is, you can start your day if you want, even at 12 or late noon, or you can end your day even at 4 a.m. in the morning. So it completely, the time flexibility is completely depends on you.
हाँ.
Also, when you work on your thing, when you have a thing कि हम किसी को help कर रहे हैं at the back of the mind, कि हम किसी का career build कर रहे हैं, so when you stretch your working hours to 18 hours also, वो ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है. Because the feedback that came from candidate always inspired.
So intentions matter करते हैं. And if you have passion of doing something, तो working भी holiday जैसा लगता है.
True, that's completely true. Also, if I'm on a holiday and going on a vacation, maybe in Rishikesh or something, I can take my laptop there and work there as well.
हाँ.
There are no restrictions of place and time.
So entrepreneurship has its own pros and cons.
Yeah.
तो हम अभी positives की तो सारी बातें करें. तो अभी हम नेगेटिव एक दो चीजें आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं?
So specifically, when you say about my business, which is business for you, nowadays you can see AI बहुत जगह पे है, बहुत सारे softwares आ रहे हैं.
Correct.
So it's very easy for any candidate to go there and build their resume. But the human touch that we give as a human resource, the motivation that we give is lacked in AI.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult to make people understand that AI and humans are very different. और तुम्हें ह्यूमन से जो सपोर्ट मिलेगा वो एआई से नहीं मिलेगा. तो फर्स्टली एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट वंस यू बिल्ड दैट ट्रस्ट देन इट गोज विथ वेरी इजी फ्लो. और एक कैंडिडेट के साथ और 10 जन भी साथ में आ जाते हैं बिकॉज इट्स बिकॉज हम वो बॉन्ड बना के रखते हैं स्पेसिफिक कैंडिडेट्स के साथ में. द सेकेंड डिफिकल्टी आई फेस इज in this business the network is very important. Network with the candidates and network with the employers as well. So वो time पे it's very difficult to make the employers trust in us because when we say कि हमारा एक startup है, it's very difficult कि हम employers को trust करें and they trust my candidates that they are very skilled and they can be the right fit for the company. So I just wanted to highlight one more point. As you know, I was working in a full time and then I came into entrepreneurship. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, the income source is not stable. Some days you will earn a lot and then there are some days that you don't have any work to do. You will just sitting idle. And then you come across overthinking and a number of questions that are you doing the right thing? But consistency matters. The one thing that I would like to say is consistency. You have to show up every other day.
So every journey has its own struggles, right? But you have to choose your which journey and which struggle you want to face, right? Yeah. ठीक है, तो ये सब हम आपसे वही सीख रहे हैं कि आपने हमेशा कंसिस्टेंसी रखे, आपने आपका पैशन के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लूज.
Yes.
And then what is that one advice you would want to give Naris across uh, the channel who are uh, those who are watching this video? Few Naris would be thinking of pursuing entrepreneurship. Few Naris would be thinking कि हम एचआर सेक्टर में जाए क्या, और एचआर से रिलेटेड एक स्टिग्मा भी होता है कि विमेन है ना तो एचआर कर लेगी, इजी होता है. तो आपको इन सब पे क्या कहना है, आपको वो एडवाइस वन एडवाइस क्या देना है? इज इट इजी?
See, nothing is easy and glamorous in this world. So कोई भी चीज इतना easily नहीं मिलता है. When you say HR, HR is the mother of the company. तो हाँ, जैसे हमारी मम्मी को हमारा फेस देख के समझ में आ जाता है कि हमारा दिन अच्छा था या बुरा था, वैसे HR को एम्प्लॉयज का फेस देख के समझ में आ जाता है कि there is some difficulty in the system and we have to fix it. HR is always there to fix things in the company.
सो हम ऐसा बोलेंगे कि इट्स लाइक सॉल्ट इन द फूड,
Yes,
है ना, कि वो एसेंस जो फूड का होता है, वो टेस्ट जो होता है, सॉल्ट के बिना पता चलता है कि सॉल्ट की कमी है, सॉल्ट होता है तो पता नहीं चलता, बट वही ज्यादा हो तो भी प्रॉब्लम. तो
So it's like balancing, and I feel जब हम नारी की बात करते हैं तो नारी is known for balancing life, balancing her professional life, her personal life, her family, her in-laws, everything. So when you say HR in a company, HR is also balancing the management of this. So we are the balancing.
balancing, the balancing creates the bridge. It's similar to the company that you are running, right?
Yes.
You are acting as a bridge. Nari acts as a bridge between many people, many families. And आज आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो people are facing some problem. You're just concentrating on that problem. You are concentrating on solving those problems, irrespective of what people do. That's how we should be, right? Instead of thinking वो चार लोग क्या करेंगे, हमें खुद का पैशन फॉलो करना चाहिए. And if you see a nari around you just like that, just give her a push. कर लेना.
Yes.
ये बोल रहा.
So at the end of the day, you just have to start. हमें शुरुआत करना है. जहाँ पे हो, जैसे भी हो, सोर्सेस है नहीं है, सपोर्ट कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, जो भी हो, just start for yourself and go for it.
Yeah, start करना चाहिए.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sanjana, for spending time with us today. हमने इतनी सारी चीजें बातें की, बट एक चीज हमें ये याद रखनी होगी कि टू स्टार्ट विद समथिंग. ये आपको दिख रहा है कोई स्टार्ट नहीं कर पा रहा, उनको बोलो पेन पेपर ले, लिख अपने थॉट्स, लिख, कुछ तो स्टार्ट करे, राइट? और यही कैंडिडेट्स की भी बात होगी, तो उनको एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. फॉर लुकिंग देर आर मेनी हेल्प्स अराउंड यू. एआई हो गया, कंपनीज हो गई, पीपल हो गए, फ्रीलांसिंग हो गई, एवरीथिंग. सिर्फ दे हैव टू स्टार्ट.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mansi, for introducing me here. And the work that you are doing, you are representing Nari here, and you are representing us. It's the best thing that you are doing. And thank you so much for introducing this platform for Naris and entrepreneurs.